Hey everyone, this is Lisa with WTI. If you're looking for the cutest crossbody bag, let me show you this one by Michael Kors. This purse is real leather, so you're going to love the quality and the feeling of it. You're also going to appreciate that it has this adorable accent chain that brings so much style to it. You can literally wear these with shorts, with sweats, or with a beautiful dress. This is perfect for every occasion. Not only is it super cute and great for everyday use, but it's also super functional and spacious. So I was looking for something that gave style to my outfits, but at the same time, something that would be practical. So this crossbody bag, it's super spacious. You can fit so many things in here. I love that it has this light pocket in the front too, and in the back. And I love how spacious this is. You're going to see that you can fit your makeup, your sunglasses, your wallet, and anything else you need. This crossbody bag will bring so much style to all of your outfits. You are going to love it just as much as I do, and that is my point of view.